Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax Osage Beach, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Today I'm looking around the 310 SLX we currently have in stock. The boat is white with the blue stripe. It's got the tan interior. Boat has SeaDeck on the rear. Through the walkthrough with the seagrass inside. Boat is equipped with 300 horsepower V8 6.2 Merc Cruiser. It's nicely optioned. It's got the digital dash, joystick docking. Up top we've got the opening in the hardtop with the extended shade on the rear. It's got a very nice head compartment, nice and roomy. The fit and finish of the SeaRay is what they're known for, along with quiet ride technology. Up here in the bow, just trying to give you a quick walkthrough. Again, this is a 2023 SeaRay 310 SLX.